The example of task environment here, the first one is crossword puzzle. So we have discussed that it is fully observable because the sensors will get complete information about the environment. So it is fully observable environment. It is also deterministic because fully observable usually deterministic environments only. The next state of the environment can be determined from the previous state. Okay, that is why this crossword puzzle is deterministic environment. And what is episodic? So it is a crossword puzzle is sequential environment. It is not episodic, it is sequential environment because the action of one state will affect the other states. Okay, so that is why crossword puzzle is sequential environment. And it is also static environment because the environment does not change here. The effect of environment will be less. Okay, and what is that here? It is discrete because it is taking discrete steps. No, so that is why this is the discrete type of environment. And just now we have discussed that crossword puzzle is single agent environment because only one agent will be playing crossword puzzle by itself. That is why it is single agent environment. Now, if you see that chess with a clock is fully observable environment and it is strategic because what is strategic here? The performance of the environment is deterministic except the actions performed by the other agent. Okay, then it is called strategic. Okay, so what is strategic? The environment is deterministic except for the actions taken by the other agents. Okay, so only that particular agent, it is deterministic. Then that environment is called strategic environment. So chess with a clock is a strategic environment. It is also sequential because whatever action it will take in the current state will affect the actions performed by the other states. Okay, and it is semi-dynamic environment because clock is involved. Whenever clock is involved, then it is called semi-dynamic environment. And it is also discrete because it will be taking actions in the form of discrete, yes or no. So that is why it is discrete environment. Okay, and chess is a multi-agent environment. Chessboard is multi-agent environment. Now we'll discuss the next environment called taxi driving. Taxi driving is partially observable because the traffic cannot be measured, yes or no. So that is why it is partially observable. So since it is partially observable, it is also stochastic. Okay, and it is also sequential type of environment because whatever action it is taking that will affect the performance of the taxi driver because the future actions will also depend on the present action. Then that is why it is called sequential, and it is dynamic environment and it is continuous. Just now we have discussed that it is continuous because the location, speed, steering, everything will be in continuous parameter. It is changing continuously with respect to time. So that is why the taxi driving is continuous parameter, and it is also multi-agent environment.